Design and Management, planned for Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. Group members are Mr. F.S. Sibli, Mr. A. Jalil, Mr. A. Sajiharan and Mr. A. Halim. Brief summary of the organization. The Southeastern University of Sri Lanka was established as the 10th National University in 1995. It has 5 faculties: Faculty of Management and Commerce, Faculty of Arts and Culture, Faculty of Applied Science, Faculty of Islamic Studies and Arabic Language, and Faculty of Engineering. Enhancing IT skill, preparation of modules and support materials based on the revised curricula, motivating and enhancing self-access learning activity by providing IT facilities, and training students for UCT IT. Evaluation report on use and impact of computer network for Faculty of Islamic Studies and Arabic Language Computer Lab, equipment availability and cost, internet access availability, configuration simplicity, the environment of the network, security for the internet connection, preferences and knowledge of installers. Next part will be continued with the Sibli.
Thank you very much, Sajiharan. Now we are moving to a very important part of this assignment, that is designing of the overall network of SUSL. This part mainly includes major 3 main areas. First one is connectivity among all 5 faculties, like Faculty of Management and Commerce linked with Faculty of Arts and Culture. Likewise, all 5 faculties should have a very good connectivity. Second one is redundant connectivity in Southeastern University of Sri Lanka, and the third one is cable management, because it is very important to handle all wire devices. So in our assignment we have focused on cable management also. So now we can see that network design for SUSL, network devices for SUSL network will be connected through wired cables and wireless links. For the entire design, IEEE 802.11 and ISO 27001 standards are to be used to set up a very environmental friendly and a very standard wise network. So faculties and users of Southeastern University of Sri Lanka, according to 2013 data, Faculty of Management and Commerce, 100 users can use their works in PCs, and the Faculty of Islamic Studies and Arabic Language, 100 users, Faculty of Engineering, 100 users, Faculty of Applied Sciences, 150 users, and Faculty of Arts and Culture, 150 users. So this is the conceptual map of the network design. So we are going with a local area network because within, 4 faculties are within the Oliville premises and only 1 faculty is in Sammanturai. So we are talking about local area networks in our conceptual map, that the users are normal users like students and staff and other related university related people, and other users we can include the library users, MBA guest lectures and others. And another one is mainly 2 important parts in these conceptual maps: access to internet content and learning resources, and file and print servers, CD or multimedia servers, printers, scanners, etc. So resource sharing also there. So this is the overall designing map of the present network part, that the admin connected with all faculties. So the all routers and firewall devices all are belonging with administration. So the Faculty of Management Commerce, which is very close to admin, so we have put here. So the leased line routers and firewalls and other backup servers and PCs for Faculty of Management and Commerce are here. And the Faculty of Arts and Culture, the same type of devices can be applicable for Faculty of Arts and Culture, Faculty of Islamic Studies and Arabic Language, and Faculty of Engineering. These all 4 faculties are in Oliville and close to administration. So that's why we are mainly focusing on these 4 faculties. So this is the overall map related to its locations and the distance between the administration, the main network room. So these are the overall network part, and we can say that backup servers, web servers, Active Directory, file servers, mail servers, and other related servers also linked with administration part. So this is the overall map, and this is the network part should be implemented in Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. So the necessary devices we have mainly identified: router, core switch, fiber, access switch, 24 port, firewall, VPN gateway, fax, printer, video conference system, hosted PBX extension, PCs, servers, wireless access points, IP phone, UTP Cat6 cable box 300 meters, CCTV systems, analog phones, and fiber cables. So related to the number of users, we have planned for each and every faculties. So altogether 8 routers, 9 core switches, 23 access switch, 5 firewall, 1 VPN gateway, 9 fax, 25 printers, 4 video conference system, 280 hosted PBX extension, 1000 PCs, 10 servers, 12 wireless access points, 46 IP phone, 33 UTB Cat6 cable box, 100 CCTV systems, 260 analog phone, and 498 meter, almost 500 meter fiber cables. So these are the necessary devices for all 5 faculties. So now we are talking about logical network design and physical network design. So first we are considering logical network design. So it consists design a network topology. What kind of network topology we are going to implement within the Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. So we already talked about local area network. So the star topology may be very suitable for this. Design models for addressing and naming. So this is very important because different locations based on the different faculties. So addressing and naming also very important under logical network design. And select switching and routing protocols under this network traffic characteristics, bandwidth, memory and CPU usage, the approximate number of peer routers or switches supported, the capability to quickly adapt to changes in an internetwork, the capability to authenticate route updates for security reasons. Develop network security strategies also very important under logical network design to secure the overall network. And the last part is develop network management strategy. So this is the administration network manager can develop their own strategies to protect the network system. And the second one is the physical network design. After drawing the logical network design, we have to think about physical network design. So the select technologies and devices for SUSL networks, we already discussed about what are the devices needed. Select technologies and devices for enterprise networks, testing, optimizing and documenting the network design. Under this, the test the network design and optimize the network design. So these are the physical network designs. So this is the budget of our overall project. We have put all equipments what we need to implement, and the quantities we already discussed about the quantities, and unit price, this is related to the current market price, and we have put a total cost. So there are some projects to be implemented by World Bank and the government consolidated fund. So this fund can be get from the World Bank projects and the government consolidated fund and some other funding sources to improve the IT infrastructure and network infrastructure of Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. So thank you very much for listening. Next part will be continued by Jalil.
Thank you, Shibli. Now let's see the evaluate the network design and analysis user feedback here. So first let's analyze the cost benefit analysis. In the cost benefit analysis, the main theme of this network design is the reduced network cost. That means the main important factor is the cost in each and every network. So here, by using affordable devices, the cost can be cut down. Here the enhanced ability to provide network connectivity to geographically scattered SEUSL network and branches. For example, the science faculty is situated far away from the main campus, so for that science faculty we can use some affordable devices to get it connected. So here the cost is involved. And the second is the convergence of previously distinct data, voice and video network, which reduces the cost and enables the introduction of new productivity enhancing IP based applications. So here in the new trend, here the video and voice networks are very important. And the third one is the easier deployment of IP based applications such as enterprises resource planning, that means ERP, e-learning and video streaming among SUSL networks. In the new modern education systems, here the ERP, e-learning and video conference are widely used, and the improved scalability. And the next, let's see the testing. Here in the testing, that means in the network testing, first let's see what is the internet connectivity. That means how to test the internet connectivity. First we have to check whether the router is capable of supporting some of Windows advanced networking features. Here for the internet connectivity, we are using a specific tool that is called Internet Connectivity Evaluation Tool. By using this tool, we can test first the basic internet connectivity test, second the network address translator type, third one is the traffic congestion test, fourth one is TCP high performance test, and the last one is multiple simultaneous connection states test. These 5 tests can be tested by this internet connectivity evaluation tool. The second one, let's see what is bandwidth testing. Bandwidth testing means bandwidth test measures the maximum throughput of a network. For the video conferencing, such as video conferencing voice, the bandwidth is an important factor. The third one is connectivity to printer. In the university network, printer usage is the most important one among the students, because for the printing facility obtained by the students, so the printer, especially the network printer, is the most important thing in the university network system. The fourth one is the Windows update. The Windows update setting should be given as automatic, because the updating of Windows solved many problems in network computers such as virus, errors, compatibility, softwares, drivers, etc. And the fifth one is the virus guards are up to date. So this test also should be done, because as we all know, the virus guard is useless without updating. So update is the main thing here to use the internet connectivity. So, and next let's see, improvement can take place in SUSL network in future in order to enhance the network. First one is to keep your computer up to date. That means let the Windows automatically install important and recommended, here the first one, and recommended updates to improve security and reliability. Here the Windows computer should be up to date, whether it may be software or Windows update or operating system update or virus update, whatever, it should be up to date. The second one is use a firewall. It is used to prevent hackers or malicious softwares from gaining access to the computer through network or internet. That is the main purpose of the usage of the firewall. The third one is to run antivirus software on each computer. Firewall is only for just keeping out worms and hackers, not for viruses. So to protect the viruses from email, file, CD, DVD, pen drive, or any files downloaded from the internet, so we have to use the virus guard and to make sure the virus guard is up to date. So the next one is a user router to share an internet connection. So these router devices usually have built-in firewalls, network address translations, that mean NAT, and other features that can help keep our network better protected. And the next one is the don't stay logged on as an administrator. So this is the main error that we always do. Here, when we are using a program that require internet connection, it is recommended not to use the administrator account and use a standard user account, because many virus and worms can be stored and run on our computer unless we are logged on as an administrator. So this is the main thing that we never follow. And the next one is the wireless network security recommendations. If we have a wireless network, there are some additional security precautions that should be taken, because the wireless network is less security than the wires network, as we all know. And the last one is the use a network security key. If we have a wireless network, we should set up a network security key which turns on encryption. So by using the encryption and decryption technology, we have to use a network security key, otherwise it is not secure. Anyone can hack our network security. And next part we are going to discuss is design a maintenance schedule to support a SUSL network. That means, so we are going to maintain the network. There are three types of maintenance. The first one, let's say routine maintenance. That means it consists of the tasks that are performed on our system daily, weekly, monthly, or once a year. For example, updates. That means it may be Windows update, or application update, or any antivirus update. It should be maintained. It is under routine maintenance. And the second one is a backups. Backups also comes under routine maintenance. The next one is a preventive maintenance. That means this maintenance prevents from any system crash or system failure. For example, prevent system failure, ensure that system quality of service. Typical preventive maintenance. And the preventive maintenance of IT equipment. That means we are maintaining the IT equipment such as router or network card or network devices, so we can prevent some crashes or system failure or something. The third one is the demand maintenance. That means this is performed as a result of system failure or degradation. Demand maintenance is an attempt to restore the system to its optimal condition. That means after the system crash or failure, we are using the demand maintenance, because the maintenance is demanded at that time. This should be done. So here these three maintenance should be run, and the network administrator is the responsible person to do this routine maintenance. So by giving a checklist for each and every computer, we can perform these three routine maintenance, preventive maintenance, and demand maintenance. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let's see the procurement process. So procurement process is the formality process which is handled in each and every department. In the procurement process, after planning the network that we have already done, exact devices, resources with the exact quantities, it want to create a standard specification. That means the model of each and every devices, the prices, and the quality should be mentioned there. For this, we plan to hire an unbiased consultant. So the consultant is the person who is going to certify this. So after completing the specification, the documents sent to the procurement manager. There's a post called procurement manager. He is the person who is handling these things. And the procurement manager sends the documents to at least three vendors from whom we are going to purchase the things. So those three vendors send reply to the procurement department. So after that, the three vendors procurements are analyzed vastly, and one of the procurement will be selected as our vendor. So here for the selection, the technical evaluation team selects a vendor. The final decision will be taken by the technical evaluation team. So next, let's see the operations and maintenance. Here this is the vast area in the IT technology. Here there are a lot of servers called collaboration server, mail server, file server, a lot of things. So these should be maintained, and the operation and maintenance, there's a big cost for the operation and maintenance. Here the main thing are we have to protect the servers, all the things from antiviruses, viruses, malwares, worms, and data theft. So these things should be avoided. For these we are using such as anti-malware protection, endpoint controls, encryption. That means the file should be encrypted, the passwords and file, those things should be encrypted, and to use again it should be decrypted. So system management, mobile device management, and security. Here security is the main concern here. So these are the things that we have to consider from the operation and maintenance. So once the network design is implemented, it is not finished. So after that the continuous task is operation and maintenance. It will cost much. Thank you very much.